Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by preparing the Redmi Note 9 so the update runs cleanly. First, charge the device above 50% and connect to a reliable Wi-Fi network to avoid data interruptions. This prevents corrupted downloads. Once done, back up your essential data, photos, messages, and app settings, to the cloud or a PC so you can recover if anything goes wrong. Make sure to free 2 to 4 gigabytes of storage by clearing cache and removing unused apps. That avoids installation failures and speeds up verification. You now fetch the update itself and verify integrity. Go to Settings, choose About Phone, then System Update. Tap Check for updates so the phone queries Xiaomi servers. If the over-the-air option is not offered, download the official ROM from a trusted source onto internal storage and use the local update option. This gives you control over timing. While downloading, watch the file size and avoid using metered mobile data. Once the package completes, the device will validate the file to ensure it isn't corrupted. You finish by installing and confirming the update. Tap Install and let the phone reboot. Do not press buttons or remove the battery during this phase because interruptions can cause problems. After the system restarts, Android will optimize apps. Give it a few minutes. Then you should open Settings About Phone to confirm the new MIUI or Android version. If an app misbehaves, clear its cache or reinstall. Troubleshooting tip: if the phone fails to boot, use recovery to wipe cache partition first, then restore your backup if needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.